Exactly, this is what I wanted. Yes, this looks really great. Wow, 8 seconds video and let's try to see. Yes, it looks really good. So what I imagined, it provided the same. In this vlog, let's try to dive through the Google AI Studio. So I'll be concentrating on this particular tool in this video and try generating images and videos. So this might again sound to be a basic beginner level video. So stay tuned till the end if you are interested in try generating the images and how to use this particular tool in detail. I have already signed up with my Gmail credentials and this is what the dashboard looks like. And again, the very first question is, what is Google AI Studio? So here, Google AI Studio is a set of tools. I mean, you might be well familiar with the ChatGPT or NI10 automation flow, which we have dealt in our previous videos, right? So Google AI Studio is a combination of all these particular tools. I mean, I'm not saying these tools are present here similar. So like ChatGPT, here we do have the prompt window where you can provide your queries and get the answers, and also you can make your own automation possible in this particular tool and whatnot. Here you do have like image generation, video generation and all these things, and also the main thing, we are trying to go through the free plan here, and also you do have a paid plan. So once you have a good knowledge and also you got to know what exactly these particular tools will provide to you, then it's better to go to the paid plan and utilize it. So now let's try generating an image. So here we do have like nano banana. Here I have selected this, and also on the right side we do have a temperature, aspect ratio, and in the previous video as well we have seen temperature. It allows you to set the creative level of your AI model. So in our previous NI10 series also we tried adjusting this particular temperature in Visual Studio Code. I think I have shown you where we wrote a code to train our model, and here is the video link I'll be providing in the description section below. So now let's make it 1, and also aspect ratio I'll just provide 16:9, and I'm giving a prompt like, imagine a boy riding cycle in village roads. So this is what the prompt I'm trying to give, and I just want an image to be generated. So that, just imagine with this particular image you can write a story, and this image can be in the center of the page. So like that I'm just thinking, and just for the example sake I'm thinking in this way. Let's try to see whether AI Studio can generate this image for us or not. Additionally, I will also provide wearing a school bag. Okay, let's try to run this particular prompt. Okay, here is an image of boy riding a bicycle on village road wearing a school bag. Okay, save your conversations in Google Drive recommended. Okay, fine. This is also again a thing which I forgot to tell you in the beginning of the video itself. So you need to enable the Google Drive permission, because that is the place where all your information, might be images or videos, will be stored. So again, that is an acceptable thing because we are using a free tier, so I don't, there won't be any storage, right? I will be enabling the Google Drive. Yes, so I have enabled the permission. It took 7.6 seconds to generate this particular image. Let's try to see. Yes, it looks really good. So what I imagined, it provided the same. Yeah, so yes, we can even download this particular image, and now I just want to generate a video as well. Okay, let's try to give the prompt for the same. Can you give a video of 10 seconds? Okay, let's try to run this particular thing and try to see whether it is able to generate the video or not. And here you can see the tokens as well. So I have already used 1375 tokens and I got 32,768 tokens. Okay, I can't create videos, but I can generate another image for you. Fine, fine, fine. We have selected the Nano Banana Flash image model and we are asking for generating a video. That is wrong, right? Yes, we need to change the model and okay, I don't want a front view image because I already got an image. Let's go back and change the model. So here I would like to change the model to the video. Okay, I've downloaded this particular image and now let me change the model and verify. Okay, switch model, switching. Okay, fine. Okay, so now we'll try to generate a video. Again, similar theme I will be providing. Okay, let's try to run this particular command and 10 by 10 generation it is showing. Free generations that are remaining for this model to continue generating past the free limit. Okay, fine. The video is being generated now. Let's try and see how this video will be. So here our video is now created and you can see a boy riding a bicycle, but the point is the face is like a cartoon image. Let's try asking it. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, not some different image. Okay, 9 out of 10, so it will be 8 out of 10 now. So here you can see it took 39 seconds to generate this particular video, but again resemble. Okay, see why I am making this particular video is if you're trying to generate a video, right, this is what the issues you might face. I mean, not only video, even image. So the first thing, we have provided a context like a boy riding bicycle on a village road, houses on both sides. But now I ask, I mean, I thought in continuation it will be the same. But seeing the second prompt, I have asked a boy which should resemble a real boy face, means I thought it will be continuing the same previous context, but no. Okay, let me provide. So let me try to re-provide the prompt with everything. So the point what I would like to highlight is it's not the mistake of AI. The way you provide the prompt will decide the output. I thought it might have the context of the previous prompt which I gave, but okay, the context is not available, I think. So it just provided me a video, but again this video looks almost a real video kind of, but it's AI generated. And again on the right hand side you can see number of results. By default it is 1, and if you want you can get multiple results as well. And also the aspect ratio like 16:9 or 9:16. We have got the image, and yes, exactly this is what I wanted. Yes, this looks really great. Wow, 8 seconds video, and it's really good, and it's also almost like a real video it looks like. So it took 44.9 seconds to generate this particular video. And you can also change the video duration here. It's like 8765 seconds. So the highest is 8 seconds and the lowest is 5 seconds. And we do also have the audio option here, so I suggest you to try this particular audio thing, not the second one. The first one is free, so try this particular tool here and let me know in the comment section below. Other than this, we have covered the automation series on N8N. Here is the playlist. I'll be providing the link in the description section below, and I hope you found this video interesting. And not only this, there are much more to do with Google AI Studio. Just let me know in the comment section below if you are interested. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.